If you think about English, you need perfect grammar and perfect tenses, and you need book. So you are wrong. Hello everyone, this is Abrar here from India. Today is my English practice day 31. Today I want to talk about two questions. How do we learn English and why do we need it? First one thing I clear, the multiple videos are available on YouTube. Learn English in 20 days, speak fluence in 1 month, speak English without mistakes. There are a lot of videos available on English, but I want to tell you one truth. English is not a school subject. English is not a college subject. It's just a language. A language no need to course of 30 days. If you notice, every teachers, every search and every YouTube say 1 month to learn English, 1 month to speak English. According to me, all things are wrong, and all clips and all sentences are wrong. It's just gaining views and like and comments, not give you real output. English is just a language, and if you speak English, if you want to speak English, if you read English, first thing you if you first thing English word use your sentence in daily sentence. You don't speak full sentence of English. He just speak word, just like in Hindi, मेरा दोस्त बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है. The confidence word is English. If you use just like this one word, the automatically English language improve inside you. You just use. You not show, oh, I am perfect, I am well speak English, I am not mistakes. He just use one word, start beginning. The automatically the multiple words are you remember it your mind, and then start slowly speaking sentence, eating, washing teeth. They starting slowly. According to you, if you learn English just 20 days, so totally you are wrong, because English is not magic. English is a language. A language are not. If you learn books, if you learn grammar, if you learn tenses, but you don't speak, because if you not start speaking, if you are not start step small steps, don't speak English. You just read books, copy and writing. They all things are do, but you don't speak, because every language need to speaking. For example, I speak Hindi, but I speak Marathi. Marathi language is not for my mother tongue, but in Maharashtra, I am not in Maharashtra. I speak Urdu, Hindi, but my friends circles and my environments are people speak Marathi, and I notice these styles, these words, and I am speak Marathi. आपला मराठी माणूस सगळं मिळतं आहे. I am speak Marathi because I notice, I listening, I watch videos, and I face problems to speak English. The all things are confidence to me and I speak well. If you beginner, you think how can you start English speaking? I just say one thing. One day will not change anything. If you really speak English well, perfect fluency, you practice every day, and small steps are become big success. If you notice, I start first day and last are 31 days. My English are changed to speak way, speak sentence. First I scared. I stop video just a 2 second, 3 second. But I continuously speak 10 to 15 minutes without any hesitation, without any stopping camera. So I really say one thing for all learners. Please don't watch any video. Learn English 20 days, learn English 30 days, fluence English in 20 days. Learn grammar. If you if you if you currently study in school, you need grammar, you need book, you need all things. If you are college student, you don't need grammar, you don't need book for learning English, because you already know grammar, you already learn English first to 10th. If you any mediums belong, any schools, any mediums, but one books are available all class English. So you already learn books, you already writing books, copies, you already know grammar. So if you current in college study, you just speak, try to small sentences, small words to speaking your local language, your local language. If you notice, you don't speak perfect local language, because your local language is very vast. If you not speak your local language correctly and not perfectly, so you don't speak English perfectly. He just a language you can speak, and slowly improvement are inside you. In not perfect time, he just 30 day you are completely speak well, you are 20 days completely speak well. It's not define any time. It's not no anyone say 30 day complete for enough English learning, 30 day complete for enough any language, 30 day and 20 day and 60 day and 90 day, no time limit of learning language. Learning language depend upon you. If you speak every day, try again, you speak just 20 day, 10 days. But if you think I'm watch this video, I'm watch this course, and I'm watch this I going to this coaching and I pay this fees for learning English, and you speak well, this is totally wrong. This thing is wrong, because I am a learner. I try speak every day. My starting, I joining coaching. Is a coin in coaching? It's just saying grammar. I know grammar. I know past, future, and present tense. How to use in a real life. I read book. No need book read. If you speak real situation, you real learn any language. So if you notice any mistakes in my advice, please comment me on my English. Please comment me, because your comment are really important for me. Thank you for watching my video. Please support me, and notice no one teach you just 20 day and 30 day. So learn, still continue every day and try again and again. One day you can speak well. Thank you.